In this video, I'll show you a quick and clean way to replace a screen in DaVinci Resolve. Please note that this uses the Planar Tracker, which is only available in the Studio version. Let's get started. Select your clip on the timeline and go to the Fusion page. With the Media In node selected, press Shift and Space, search for Planar Tracker, and add it between Media In and Media Out. Move your playhead to the first frame of the clip. In the inspector, click Set, then draw a loose shape around the screen you want to replace. Once that's done, click Track Forward and let the tracker finish. Next, drag your screen recording into the Fusion node area to create a new Media In node. Connect the screen recording into the green input of the Planar Tracker. Select the Planar Tracker, then change the operation mode to Corner Pin. Finally, adjust the corner controls so the replacement fits the screen properly. And that's it! You've replaced a screen in DaVinci Resolve.